Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Living with an Alfa Romeo shitbox. I hope you're doing well and that everything is working on your car. Today, a little bit of an unplanned episode, let's say. Last time when I was coming back from work, it was like 7 p.m, 8 p.m, it was dark. Yeah, and I was coming out of the corner and I saw like a small dog on my lane. It was just behind the corner, so I quickly changed the lanes, let's say. But the small dog was followed by another dog which was on the other lane, and yeah, I couldn't do much to avoid to hit the dog. So let me just show you the aftermath of that situation. So this side is all okay, here it's all okay, but when you take a closer look at here, you can see that something is missing.
Well, no fucking shit!
He got here, so he destroyed the whole fog light, the plastic trim that holds the fog light, and yeah, this whole section of the bumper, as you can see. But here also, apart from just like a big hole in the bumper, you can also see that the support of the bumper, as you can see, it was rusty already, so the dog also hit here. And when I got out of the car to simply examine what was happening, this was bent almost all the way to the wheel. It was touching the wheel, and as you can also probably see, took out also this plastic element here that is over the wheel. Yes, so I will also have to buy this one. I didn't buy it for now yet. I just bought the bumper and the new support. Fortunately, the most of the damage went here, and here, as you can see, this spiral, let's say, this is a power steering cooling, let's say. So fortunately it wasn't damaged. So we will basically replace that, the whole bumper. So this is the new support for the bumper. So this is how the old fog light looks like after the crash. So yeah, so the whole like glass was shattered, but you can see how thick it is. Look how thick the glass is. So this is, let's say, trash. Okay, and this is the new bumper. I don't know if you will be able to see the difference in color. Probably you are able to see it, that it's a little bit darker. But what are the positives of having this new bumper? So basically my like front Scudetto, as you can see, is in really poor shape, and this one is simply much better, so that's a win. And also, as you can see, my left fog light is cracked. I was meaning to replace it, but it's hard to find them. So yeah, so this one is much better, and the other one is also really nice. So yeah, there are some small scratches like in here and I think in here. But overall, the whole bumper is, yeah, it's quite good. I didn't pay a shitload of money for it because I gave like 350 zlotych, which is like around, even below 100 euro, maybe like 70-80 euros. But before we start with the bumper, I will, as I've said, I will paint this one. I will paint it silver. I know when you put on the bumper you cannot see it, but this is what I am. I basically like everything to be looking kinda stock.
Well done!
To take the bumper off, we need to undo these two screws. Underneath there will be another two, I think, or one. Then we have to undo this one, again this, and underneath. Here would be all, and then this is the most like difficult part here, which is going to be now easy access.
That's what she said!
Underneath here, underneath the bumper, over here, like here, one is here, and the third one is here. There are another 3 screws like this one. What's up, doggo? as you can see, this is almost off. Now we will have to do this side. So basically I have to raise the car, take the wheel off, take the plastic element over the wheel, and then undo the 3 or 2 bolts in here, and this will be ready to go out. So let's check how this shitbox is holding up. Here it's okay. Here it's getting a little bit rusty. Yeah, but still 20 years old, so it's not that bad. And yeah, I know this one, guys, I simply couldn't order the new one. So for now this one will stay on, but I will replace it in the future. So basically what we have to do now is undo this one here, this one right there, and yeah, and that's it. There are only 2 bolts on this side. Yeah, so let's do it right now. Okay guys, so as you can see the bumper is off. Now we just have to undo that. Okay, it's gone. Woo! A lot of rust. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay guys, so the new shiny element is on. I didn't film the process because it was a little bit of fiddling and moving around, and yeah, I wouldn't be able to show you anything because, you know, I was trying to squeeze it all in here. But yeah, when you make some space in here, removing all of the wiring, it goes quite okay. I didn't even scratch it that much, let's say. So yeah, so here we have it. So now I have to basically do all of the things that I did before in the opposite way, and then yeah, we'll go continue with reassembling the front bumper. Okay guys, so the bumper is more or less fitted. I just need to basically put all the bolts in. But yeah, a fairly straightforward process. You just the way I do this is just put it here on top, and then I just take care of each side. And yeah, and I'm just looking at this color, and I don't know, probably on the camera you cannot see it, but I think it's almost exactly the same, or maybe the same. I don't know, because the seller wasn't able to give me the paint number code, so I don't know exactly what color is it. Okay guys, so it's done. The bumper is in place, every bolt is on. I think it fits quite well. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this unplanned episode. Soon I should make another video, very short one, because it's going to be again about the maintenance. So we will have another short video of living with this shitbox over here. Yeah, so thank you for watching, see you next time, and enjoy your cars, Petrolheads.